Good evening, students. Today, under the unit Computer Artist, the name of the third chapter, Creating Animated GIFs, we're just going to learn. Let us see the learning objectives. The first one is GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. What is meant by GIF? And next one is script view menu. What is the purpose of using that menu? And steps to play the animation, how to create a GIF image and how to play that animated image, and steps to export the animation. These are the points we just go through in this session. What is GIF? GIF, it stands for Graphics Interchange Format. The expansion of GIF is Graphics Interchange Format. It is an image format which is most common found on the web. So, GIF is a image file format. That format is most commonly found on the web. This file format is ideal for making small icons and buttons. It is familiar for making small icons and buttons that can be used in the websites. This file format supports animation. Today, the GIF image file format is replaced by means of a PNG image file format, that is Portable Network Graphics File Format. What is script view? Script view means it is a name of the menu. It is a name of the menu. That menu is available in GIMP screen menu bar. Like the file edit menu, script view is also a name of the menu. That menu is available in GIMP screen menu bar. Function of script view menu. Script view means it has many effects. The script view menu has many effects. That effects can be applied to text, images, shapes. So, if you want to apply any effect to text or images or shapes, you have to use the script view menu. Okay. But before that, you just kept it in mind that images and files or text shapes that can be placed in the canvas portion. If you want to apply any effects to the images, text or shapes that can be already placed in the canvas. Steps to create animated GIF. So now we are going to learn how to create a animated GIF. I just explained with the help of software. Let us open the GIMP. So this is the opening window. So before, if you want to do anything, first you have to open the canvas. No, for that we already learned in the previous session. So first go to the file menu, select new option, create a new image dialog box will appear. In that you just if you want to change the height and width of the canvas means you just change it as your wish. If you don't want to change it means you have to do it as it is available. So I just created a canvas portion here. The white portion at the center is called as the canvas. In the GIMP environment, the white portion in the center is called as the canvas. Okay. Now, I just explained with the help of simple example how to create a animated GIF. For that, I just the first step I am going to change the background of the canvas. So, I just select the background color as blue and applied it with the help of a bucket tool. Okay, I just fill the background. If you want to apply any animation means you first add a layer. With the help of layer only you have to apply animation. Okay, for that I just added a layer. A layer can be added using a layer menu. Here a layer pan is available here. Create a new layer button is available here. Listen here, I just move the mouse pointer, it can be displayed like this. Create a new layer button. Otherwise, the another option is go to the layer, the menu, that is in the menu bar, the layer menu is available here. You just click it and new layer is you just select it. Okay, two methods you have to create a new layer. Either you just go to the layer menu and select new layer option. Otherwise, in the layers pane you just create a new layer. Icon button is available here. You just click that icon. Okay, I just click this icon. What will happen? A new layer will be opened here. So a new layer dialog box is open here. If you want to change the name of the dialog layer, you just change it. I'm going to draw an ellipse in this layer. For identify purpose, I just give the name as ellipse. The name of the layer is ellipse. I'm going to create a layer and give the name for that layer is ellipse. Okay. I click OK button. Now a layer with the name ellipse is added in the layers pane. Note here, a layer with the name ellipse is created in the layers pane. The next step, I am going to draw a ellipse. So I just select the ellipse select tool and draw an ellipse. Then go to edit menu, stroke selection. I apply the stroke with line with 2. Okay. I just click stroke. So the outline of the ellipse is black in color. Inside I am going to fill it with a red color. So I fill the ellipse with red color. Okay, in the first layer, I just draw the ellipse and change the outline color as black, and inside I just fill it with red color. Next, I'm going to apply any effect for this layer. If you want to apply effect means I just animated, go to the, and if you want to create animated GIF means go to script flow menu. I already told you script flow menu is a menu that is available in the menu bar. Here it is the menu bar. Here a script flow menu is available here. If you want to apply any effects, why you want to apply effects? In order to create the animated GIFs. Okay, I want to create an animated GIF for this ellipse. So I am going to the script flow menu and layer effects option is available. Okay, effects I told you no, effects can be available in the script flow menu. If you just click the script flow menu means layer effects option is available. You just apply any effect as you wish. I apply the inner shadow. I just apply the inner shadow. So if you just click the inner shadow means here, note it down, at the down a dialog box will be open with the name script flow inner shadow dialog box. Whatever effects you just selected, with that name a dialog box will be open here. Okay, if you want to change the color, contour, opacity and spread, you have to change it now. What is meant by color? What is the color of the shadow? I just give the effects name as inner shadow now. So if you want to change the color means you have to change it. Inner shadow, what color shadow you want to apply. Okay, I just select it as the back color as it is. Okay, I didn't change it anywhere. Next, what is meant by opacity? Opacity means translucent, that is the quality of lacking transparency. How the color can be penetrate into that ellipse. Okay, that is called as opacity. Then what do you mean by the term contour? Contour means shape of the outer surface, how the shape can be available. That is here linear. Most of the options can be available here. As you wish, you have to change it by yourself. Okay, next one, click OK button. If you want to change anything, you have to change it. Otherwise, you just click the OK button. Now, I think all are well known. Here an inner shadow will be applied with the color black here. Okay. Now, what you have to do means first I just open the canvas and change the background color as blue. Then I just add a layer. In that layer, I give the name as ellipse. Then I just draw the ellipse with the help of ellipse select tool and fill the color with red and apply the effect as inner shadow. Go to the script flow menu and select the layer effect as inner shadow and I apply it. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to add a text. Okay. If you want to add a text means what you have to do, you just select the text tool. Here it is, the text tool is available in the toolbox. I just select the text tool and click inside the ellipse. Otherwise I just add another layer. Okay. In the new layer, I just added text. So I just select the another layer. In that layer, I just give the name as text. Here I am going to type the text. No, I just give the name as text and click OK. Now I am going to select the text box and type the text inside that. Also, now I am adding the second layer with the name text. It is available in the layers panel. Here I am going to type it as animation. If you want to change the color means you have to change it by selecting this, and the options are available here. What color you want, you just change it as you wish. Then if you want to change it as bold means you just change it as bold. Then change the size as you wish. Okay, I just change it as a animation with black color. I click OK button. Okay. Now I am going to add effects for this animation. Animation also I just add the effects. For that I am going to script flow menu, take layer effects option. For that I just apply drop shadow. Okay, drop shadow effect. Then a drop shadow dialog box will be open. I change the shadow color as yellow. In order to see the variation, I just select the color as yellow. Shadow color will be yellow. Okay. Okay. Then click OK button. I think all are clearly visible. The name of the text is animation and the shadow color will be yellow. Now, what are we are doing means we just create the ellipse and apply the layer effect as what the layer effect is just applied. It means inner shadow. For the text, I just add the drop shadow. After finishing this, how you have to see the animated image? For that, go to the filters menu. That menu is also available in the menu bar. I just show it clearly. Go to the filters menu, select animation option. In the filters menu, you just select the animation option and click playback button. So I just repeat it again. If you want to see the animated image means you just go to the filters menu, select animation option, go to playback. Okay, I just click it. What will happen means the new animated GIF images play in a new window. Let us see. I just click it. What will happen? A new window will be opened here. In that window, I just click the play button. So the animated image can be created here. If you want to change the speed means you just change it. For that I just keep it as 0.25. Let us see how the image can be created. First ellipse can be drawn, then inner shadow will be applied, then a text will be displayed, and the what effect we just applied to the text means drop shadows. Then the drop shadow is in yellow color. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to create a traffic signal. For that, how we have to create it? Let us do the another example. How we have to create a traffic signal and apply the GIF image for that. Okay. For that, I am just create a new canvas. If you want to create a new canvas, means go to File menu, select what option? New. Okay, new. And click OK button and new canvas will be opened like this. In this, I am going to create a animated traffic signal. For that, first you just need a traffic signal picture. No, how you have to insert a picture with the help of drop target area. No, with the help of drop target area, I just insert the traffic signal. Let us see how to insert it. File, then open. I just select the signal. Okay, the traffic signal will look like this. This is a simple image. Now we are going to create a GIF image with this picture. Let us see what are the steps I just followed. First, you have to change the red, yellow and black. All the colors can be applied to black. For that, I select the rectangle select tool and draw a rectangle and fill it with black color. Again I just draw a rectangle or square, whatever it may be. Then apply it with black color. I repeat the step again and fill it with black color. Okay, this is the portion where we have to do in the canvas. In the canvas, I just load the image, and from that image we have to create a GIF. Okay, then what is the next step? Next step, we are going to create a layer. For that, I just click the new layer button. A new layer will be opened. First you have to create a red color signal. No, for that I just give the layer name as red. Then click OK. So a layer with the name red is created here. In that layer I am going to draw a red color circle. For that I just select the ellipse select tool and draw a circle and fill it with red color. Fill it with red color and apply the script flow. Layer effect you have to apply it now. So go to script flow menu. Layer effect, what you have to do? I just color overlay. So what color? The red color itself. I just select it and click OK button and OK. Then select none. In the same layer, that is, what is the name of this layer? Red. In the same layer I am going to add a text. For that I just select the text box and type the text as, first change the color as red, then type the text as stop. S-T-O-P. I just type and change the size as 28 and change it as the bold. Okay. For that now I am going to add a effect. Go to script. Now you just select what inner shadow or drop shadow. Drop shadow. That I just select the yellow color as the drop shadow and click OK button. Okay. Next, in the next layer, I am going to add another layer with the name yellow. So in that layer, I just select the ellipse select tool and draw another circle and fill it with what color? Yellow color. Fill it with yellow color and apply the effect as drop shadow, the same yellow color and click OK. Next, I am going to add a text. Change the color as yellow. Next, what you have to type? Get ready. So I just select get ready and change the size as 24. Then change it to bold. Then what effect you want to apply it? Layer effects, inner shadow with black color. Okay, in order to see the variation, I just show it. Okay, next up. Move on to the next one. add another layer, the final layer with name green. Now select another circle and change the color as green and fill it with green color and add the text, change the color as green and type the text as go. Change the size. Okay, change it to bold. Next, apply the effect, go to script flow. Now what effect we want to apply? I just apply it as inner glow. Okay, inner glow, any color, I just apply it as green, blue color. I just select the blue color and go. So inner glow. Okay. Okay. Now after designing, what you have to do? You want to see the animated image. No, how you see the animated image? With the help of what menu? Filters menu. For that you just select the filters option. In that, let us take the animation and click playback. What will happen? A new window will be open and the animated GIF will be played there. I just click it. This is a new window. In that window, if you want to see the animated image, means you just click the play button. Here the play button is available here. If you want to change the speed, just click it and change the speed as it is. Okay. First I just played. So stop, get ready, go. Different effects can be applied for each and every layer. Let us see the variation. I just decrease the speed of it. Let us see how it can be created. First red color stop, yellow color get ready and green color go. So this is to follow to create a animated GIF. Next, let us see how to use this image in your website. If you want to use your own created animated GIF image in your website, means what are the steps you have to follow. First, for that, move to the menu. Here an option export is available here. So go to the file menu and click export option. So if just click the export option, an export image dialog box will be opened here. In the dialog box, you just give the name for that image. What you want, you just create it. I just create the example. The name as example. Okay, what image you have to create it? GIF image, no. So you just say change the extension as GIF. Next, where you have to save this image? I just select the location as desktop. Next, go to this portion, select the file. In that file, you just select GIF image option. Okay, I repeat it again. Go to file menu, click export option and export dialog box will be open. In that export dialog box, change the name, select the location, then go to the portion where you have to convert it, and for that you just select GIF image option. Then what you have to do, just click the export button. Okay, so after that a dialog box will be opened. What is the name of the dialog box? Export image as GIF. In that you just click as animation dialog box. Here that animation dialog box is unchecked, you just click it. If you click it, means it is called a checked. Okay, I just enable as animation. If you want to change the speed, means you have to specify the speed here. Then click what? Export button. Now we already created a GIF animated image for traffic signal. No, that animated image is available in the desktop. Let us see where it is available. I just minimize the window. Here, example with the name example. That animated image is here. I just open it. Listen here. It can be available here. So this is a way you just export the animated GIF image and use it in your website. Okay. In the previous standard, 7th standard GIF, you just learn how to create a web page and how to load the already created GIF image. In this session, we just learn how to create a GIF image. This image can be uploaded in your website. Okay. I just go through it with the help of PPT, whatever we just learned here. Steps to create animated GIF. First, we just open the GIF and change the background color and add a new layer. In that layer, I just draw an ellipse and color the ellipse with the help of bucket tool. Then add another layer with the help of text tool. I just type the text as animation. So I just show with the help of screenshot. First, I just change it like this. With the help of layer button or with the help of layer menu bar, I just create a new layer. In that layer, with the help of ellipse tool, I just enable the ellipse tool as like this. Here, ellipse select tool. I just draw the ellipse and change the color as red. Then with the help of text tool, I just type the text. Then steps to add effects. If you want to add effects, means go to script flow menu. In the script flow menu, just select layer effects option. Then click any effect as your wish. If you want to change, means you just change the color, opacity, contour and spread, and finally click the OK button. So I just explain with the help of screenshot. Go to script flow, layer effects and just select the drop shadow option. Then a menu with the drop shadow dialog box open. In that, if you want to change color, opacity, just to change it. Then steps to play the animation. How to play the animation means go to filters menu, select animation. Inside the animation, you have to select the playback option. So the animation is displayed in a new window. This is the most important point you have to keep it in mind. The animation is played in a new window. I just select it. So this is a new window. After that, the animation is created like this. Okay. How to export? Go to the file menu. I just select the export to option. Then export image dialog box open. In that, I just type the name of the file with the extension GIF and select the type of GIF. Then click the export button. Then whenever I just click the export button, the export images as GIF dialog box open. In that, I just select the as animation checkbox. If you want to change the time means you just change it and finally click the export button. Then the button, whatever you just created a picture, that picture is available in the location where you have to select. That location, with the help of that location, you just upload the picture in the website. So what is the step you have to follow while creating a traffic signal? First, you just open the GIF, drag and drop the picture with the help of drop target area. First, draw black circles, 3 black circles, and add 3 layers with the name red, yellow and green, and each and every layer I just add the text box also with the text stop, get ready and go. Then apply water effects as your wish, and at last you just click the what menu? Filters menu. In that filters menu, you just select animation to see the animated image. So this is the image what I have to do. So points to remember. What are the points we just learned in this session means? What is the expansion of GIF? GIF means graphics interchange format. What is meant by script flow means? Script flow is a name of the menu that is available in the GIMP environment. That script flow has many effects. That effects can be applied to text, images, shapes that can be already placed in the canvas. Then if you want to apply that effects means go to the script flow menu, select layer effects option. To play animation, go to the filters menu, select animation option. Inside the animation option, you just select the playback button. So finally, if you want to export the animated images and use it in your website means you just go to the file menu and select the export to option. This is the end of the session. Thank you students. Thank you.